On today's episode of Watch Share Go, I head back to Wichita, Kansas. What is going on, guys? I am Watch Share Go, and today I'm here in Atlanta, Georgia, and it's time to jump back on the bike and do it again. I'm not exactly thrilled about this, but obviously I have to get home. So here's the bike. It's super dirty. It's been raining for the last 2 days. We were supposed to do Tail of the Dragon yesterday and didn't make that because it was pouring all day. And then when it stopped pouring here, it was pouring at the tail, and we were like, maybe we should just go. We didn't go. So I would like to take this Goldwing to the Tail of the Dragon. I think it would be a lot of fun. You know what? I don't have a job. Let's go to the Tail of the Dragon. It's 3 hours from here. Hop on the hype wing, get to it. I might try to get the saddle sore or whatever, the 1500 mile one at the same time. So if that's the case, I'm gonna hit a gas station and grab some receipts, and we're gonna get busy. First gas stop. I only needed 85 cents of fuel because I just filled it up when we finished the other iron butt. So here's a receipt, time to take some pictures, and I just reset the odometer, 0-0. This may or may not happen. I might just get tired and go to sleep. Found a homie on the road there. He's rocking that Shadow 1100. I talked to him a minute ago. He's headed to the Wounded Warriors ride. It's like a week-long event, which sounds pretty cool. Looks like we got a good boy in the back of this F-150. Just hanging out riding town. I'd like to do Blue Ridge Parkway too, but I have no idea where that is. I'm in Blue Ridge, I think. I saw signs saying something like that, although that says Windy Ridge. And then we are about an hour away. So I am excited. The tail on a Goldwing. It's the old man dream. Okay, we're passing through Andrews, North Carolina, and that is a wild looking, little bit larger than life chopper there. Pretty funny. And it says we're 40 minutes from Deals Gap. So I think we're going the opposite way that I was expecting. We're starting at like the actual the Tree of Shame and all that good stuff, and then heading back down the Tail of the Dragon, which should work out because that'll put me far into Tennessee, heading back to Kansas as fast as possible. It is absolutely beautiful out here, that is for sure. I mean, look at that. Mountains all the way around me, just like surrounded right now. Welcome to Graham County. We are on Highway 129 now, and it is time for the 129 fun. There we go. We'll blow through some gasoline here. It's in sport, downshifted like 3 gears, dropped it right into 4th. I will say sport mode in the corners makes you a little too confident because it's always down in the right gear, and you're like, oh, I have all this power, let's use it. And you probably shouldn't. Probably shouldn't use all that power. We're going across the Ted Jordan Bridge. Such a cool view. Everything's so clean. So clean and crispy. All these houses with their waterfront docks and everything. Look at that insane epic water pipe. That is so cool. Never been on this side of the gap. Well, this looked like an absolutely insane place to stop, and I saw there were some stairs here. So let's run down here real fast. It says it's a kayak launch area. Oh, what are you? Do it. Do the double yellow thing. That is the best sound I've heard since I pulled up, and this was completely abandoned until just seconds ago. There's no one around. It's 74, 72, there's no wind. This is the cleanest stream I've ever seen in my entire life. Next up, this will be a diving channel. Peaceful little break for you guys. Now, let's get back on the road and go tear it up. Ooh, the dam everyone takes pictures of. This is that water line that I passed earlier. That is super cool. And it looks like it might run into a hydroelectric plant right there. And yeah, I'd never seen this before. Obviously the spillway is dry. Nothing crazy going on right now. There's a crane on rails that can come all the way over to here where the hype wing's chilling. Ooh, look at that. Here we are at the gas station at the entrance. Let's get some gas. Need it for the Iron Butt records. We're here at the North Carolina side of the tail, and we're ready to rock and roll. So let's do this. Also, they've got 93 NOEF here. Pretty epic. It's hard to find that usually. Oops, I forgot to hit record right at the beginning. high crash area, next 11 miles. I probably shouldn't laugh at that because you never know when it's going to be you. But we are entering Tennessee, leaving the NC side. I'm so excited about this. Finally doing it on a bike. Just kind of mosey along. If you watch the Abarth video about Tail of the Dragon, you kind of have an idea what it's like. If you're on a motorcycle, try not to exceed your riding abilities. That's about all I can say. Big pothole right there. Went wide for it, probably shouldn't have. I think one other good suggestion is if you've never done the Tail, come on a weekday or something like this where it's not crowded and you can take your time and not get pushed by other people. Some of my friends were just out here and they said it was a little too wild for them. Ooh, yeah, he was getting it. Looked like 129 Photos was in the Killboy spot this time. I'm gonna spin around so they can take a picture. A proper picture. Made 3 passes by 129. Hopefully one of those works out pretty well. Okay, I'm just having a little too much fun now. I'm gonna chill out. Isn't it amazing listening to the Goldwing just slam through gears instead of having to shift yourself or stay in second or third for this entire ride? I think this would be a lot of work on most bikes, but on this thing it's just like click, 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 click. No way, I'm catching Miatas on a Goldwing? Wait a minute, one of those is an S2000 and I'm not quite sure what's going on because they should be walking me. I could probably go twice as fast on a Miata than I can on this. Is this it? Parkway, Parkway, Parkway. That is what I want. I want to park on the way. What's that joke about? Why do you drive on parkways and park on whatever the other one is? Driveways. Well, I'm done with the tail and Deals Gap and the parkway and headed back to Kansas. The G-map says we're 850 miles from the house on the dot, 3 miles to my next turn, and I'm gonna hop on the highway and that's it. We'll be on the highway for a long time, leaving this super beautiful part of Tennessee here. That was a lot of fun. Crossville, Tennessee, maybe? I don't know. We're somewhere out here. $9 of gas. First stop since the tail of the dragon, and 121 miles or something from Nashville. So I'm heading there. Hopefully we'll grab some dinner or something. Enjoy Nashville for a second this time. Get back on the road. Bike's doing good. I like that 93, I think. I made sure I got a couple really hard pulls in to see if it was any better, but you know, obviously it wasn't. I'm pretty sure this bike can run on 87. Just off the interstate in Nashville. Let me see what the mileage is looking like right now. I grabbed some receipts, bit of records, you know. 4,329 on the bike and 373 on this trip. It seems like this trip's going a lot slower, but I have been taking my time and just kind of enjoying life. But I did find this high-rise right there, Bridgestone building. There's the Nissan Stadium right there. Like I said, never been downtown Nashville. I'm gonna go swing through here and just make a little loop, check the place out. Nope, never mind, we're calling it. I had a wonderful day today. I did the tail of the dragon on a bike. I'm so happy. And I just went and got gas, and I forgot, I was gonna get the camera out and be like, what is going on with this gas station? They had green handles on the gas pumps and also green handles on the diesel pumps. I was like, that's gonna, well, somebody's engine's gonna die, not mine. But of course, while I was filling it up, I was sitting there thinking, man, it's weird that they have green caps on these gas pump handles, and the bike just dies completely out of nowhere. It just like stutters and then shuts off. And I think it's because I had the heated seats and the heated grips turned all the way up, and it was just struggling to run all that. I turned them off and it started right back up with no issues at all. So that's the only time it's ever like stuttered and died on me. But came right back. I don't think there's any real problem. I think it was just some kind of weirdness with me having everything loaded all the way up and sitting there idling with the fans on at the same time. So anyway, got myself a $30 hotel room, and it's a nice one too. It's actually the Fairfield Marriott, not some terrible place that I don't want to spend the night. And I just happened to be in like Paducah, Kentucky, and there were nice hotels here, and there were dead animals all over the sides of the roads. That's another reason I'm throwing in the towel, because I don't want to hit a deer in the middle of the night on this thing. And visibility, while very good, is not excellent, you know, and if I just wait till the morning, I won't die. So 8 more hours left in this journey. It took so long. What is this? That tail of the dragon route must have added almost like 5 or 6 hours, because it only took like 8:58 or 9 hours to get to Atlanta. So whatever I did, I made this trip a lot longer, but it was a lot of fun. The 1,500 mile iron butt that I was sort of trying to do when I left today, I kind of knew in my head that it wasn't going to happen, because my plan was to go all the way back home, and of course it would have been 5 in the morning at that point, according to the GPS, and then I was going to go ride like halfway to Colorado and back, because Salida probably would have been enough, and maybe a little bit farther to get me the extra 500 miles. And it's hard to have that in you when there's no real destination. You're just riding for no reason. So we're just gonna book it home in the morning, get back to work. I can't wait to work on the Scion. I can't wait to get back to work on some cars. And tonight I'm gonna relax and edit some video for you guys. The Petit Le Mans footage is coming tomorrow, maybe. I'm gonna get all that cranked out too. I hope you guys are down for some racing, some super behind the scenes racing, up against pit wall while tire changes are going on and all kinds of crazy stuff. It was a blast. Anyway, that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time. A lot of receipts shoved in this here bag.